whip just got a makeover. New grill, new wheels, chrome rims, fresh paint. I'm dripping on them. Smell the fresh leather, that's the new seats. They curious, they ask me, they wondering who did that. Space Age Customs. Hey, GPS in the dash, woofers in the trunk. What you need, what you want, you can get it all at Space Age. Auto body fix-ups, I know who to hit up. You should call Fable, but head over to Space Age. Screens flipping down, the sound is surround. What you need, what you want, you can get it all at Space Age. Auto body fix-ups, you know who to hit up. You should call Fable, but head over to Space Age. Hey, Space Age Customs. Hey, Space Age Customs. Hey, Space Age Customs.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boys Fabo. We back with another one, man. Another Panoramic Sunroof. Chrysler 300C. 2015 is the year. Box Chevy, baby. Box Chevy. So, somebody got to get a big hole cut in the head. I got everything marked out. Really ain't no rhyme and reason how to mark it out. How to get your measurement. You can measure all you want. It's still gonna be a hole cut. So, alright, so but to tell you what I did. See my magic marker marks. You know, this is an extra one. This one actually right up under that one. But I set the roof up here. I got it centered. I looked at the inside of the frame, the outside of the frame. Then I looked under right here. This is where the actual roof is going to mount to. So I'm going to take these off. I don't need them anymore. So what I did, my measurements is the inside of this. Don't worry about this, bro. My bad. Hey, everybody telling you to worry about this piece here. Don't worry about this. Just get it trimmed up. Get your corners rounded. You don't want no actual corner like that. So you round the corners off, round the corners off. You pull your measurement from the inside of the frame, man. Not the inside of the skin. Not the skin. The frame. This is the frame. The frame is attached to the roof. So this is the roof. So you get your measurements all around the frame. Go all around the frame. That's where you get your measurements at. And then you put the measurements on top of the car. Put the measurements on top of the car. So I got an option to use cutout wheel or jigsaw, or you might be fancy and have a Dremel. Either thing is going to work. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use the jigsaw because this blade is already burnt. It's cutting some wood and burnt the blade up. But I might just take this cutout wheel and go ahead and split it real quick, knock it out. So once I get this roof cut out, so anyway, I'm gonna cut the inside of this line, inside of this tape, all the way around. I'm pretty confident that my measurement is on point, and I use a tape measure. Probably, I only use this tape measure to help me get it centered. So basically what I did to help me get it centered, for one, also, let me show you. Most of the sunroofs that you would do like this is going to have an antenna like that, right? Or it's going to have something in the front of that point that lets you know that's the center of that roof. So that's your reference point. You come to the front of the car. If you have the rearview mirror, look at the rearview mirror, and you can get the center of that roof. So once you put that skin up there, you just center the antenna with the rearview mirror, and you have it pretty much centered. Then you come over here and you make sure you got pretty much the same distance side to side, and shoot, make your modifications on the skin like I gotta do. So I gotta basically, I'm gonna cut from here. I'm probably gonna cut this much of this off at the back. This is the back of it. I don't need all that. So I'll probably take that much off. You feel what I'm saying? So I don't even want the antenna no more. I was gonna keep it, but it's too big. That roof is big in that car. It's a lot bigger than the Chevy. So like I said, I'm about to cut it out real quick. Cut you back on in a minute. Oh, it's Panoramic time. Panoramic time. Box Chevy. Box Chevy. Somebody about to get a big ass roof put in their head. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. Big ass roof. YouTube, I'm back. Got it cut out. There's the other one. I ain't even put it up yet because I gotta trim it. So in your car, you're gonna have your interior light attached to this. So before you start cutting in the thing, I didn't do it because I didn't want to. But I'm just gonna rip it out a second anyway. So this is what you want to do, YouTube. You want to come in here, take your headliner. You want to unscrew the visor, 3 Phillips screws. Same thing over the 3 Phillips screws. Take your trimming down, just around it, your pillars, and go ahead and drop it or whatever if you want to. But I'm about to do it right now. You can do it now, you can do it later. But this is the power wire that goes up there. I already cut it right there, so you can use it again to wire your roof if your shit works. It probably would work. You just rewire it to whatever, you know what I mean? But all you need is a hot in the ground to make the roof work. So there go the other wires right there. See it? Just pull it through. See, this shit already cracked up, so I ain't even, that's why I really didn't take it down. I wasn't trying to save it. Ain't like I could save it and sell it to somebody. So, but I am about to go get a Phillips screwdriver so I can take the visors off. But got it cut. Remember I told you I was cutting inside of that line? Notice I ain't even cutting out of my tape. That's how precise I am. Some of that tape got cut. Here and there, you know what I mean? I'm just talking shit for real. So what you gonna do now, you're gonna get your grinding wheel, you're gonna pull all this tape off. You don't need that tape there anymore. You're gonna pull all this tape off. This car had a top on it, so that's why you see this stuff like that. There was a vinyl top on here. So you're gonna kick all the tape off once again. Then you're gonna take a grinding wheel on, like your grinder, like this right here. So you're gonna take the grinding wheel, you're gonna clean up these edges, and you also gonna shave this to metal. You wanna take all this paint and stuff off with your grinding wheel, like this. So the reason you're gonna do that is because you're gonna take that new skin right there and you're gonna weld it to this. So you need shiny metal in order to weld it to clean metal, not just shiny. So all this shit got to come off anyway. So just get your grinding wheel, clean it up, clean your edges up, make sure it's not sharp and cutting you. You'll probably end up doing like what I got to do in a minute. Put the roof in, test it out, trim this, trim that, da-da-da. So just work with it. It's easy, man. It's not hard. Don't make it any more complicated than what it is, man. It's really not complicated. Just measure, 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 then cut. Don't measure, then cut. Make sure you got that shit right. If it don't look right to you, take it off. Do it again. Still don't look right to you, take it off. Measure it again. Measure, measure, measure. So I done did it a few times to where I got kind of like my own little system developed. So that's why I'm telling you to measure, measure, measure. Measure twice, cut once. Because you can't recut it unless you cut it too small. You cut it too big, you're screwed. You know what I mean? You cut this hole too big for your roof that you're putting in there, you're gonna be screwed. Because you can't put metal back, bruh. I mean, not like exactly what we just took out of here. You can't put that back. You can, it's gonna take a hell of a fabricator. You gotta put the braces back in there. So, see the braces under there? So anyway, I ain't gonna keep rambling. Right now, I'm about to trim it like I told you I was. Well, actually, I'm about to sit it on top. So sit tight, I'm gonna sit it on top of there. All right, YouTube. Got the skin up there. So, I gotta do some modifying. So I'm gonna trim this off right there where the arrow is at. There's another one on the other side of it. Then right here, where this mark is, you look under there, you'll see that I didn't cut out enough. I cut out to that tab right there. So that's why I say you always measure and measure and measure. So I'm about to trim that out real quick so it'll fall in place. Then trim this off. Now I'll be ready to start welding it in after I grind the top of it down. So sit tight. I'll be right back, man. This is the box Chevy Panoramic. Sit tight, baby. Yep. Car ain't got no roof. Gotta weld this shit down. Do some trimming. But it's almost ready, baby. Alright, YouTube, so we got the skin up here. We're going around with our little spot welds. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna fill all them spot welds in. You see right there where it came back loose right here. So you just gotta make sure all that shit tight. Make sure you hit all of them. Fill it in to where it end up being looking like one unit. But for real though, you can just spot it all the way around, grind them down, and put that fiberglass on top like I'm gonna do. You'll be in the game. Look at him over there.
Is that YouTube?
Yep. So that's all we doing, man, is spot welding, spot welding, spot welding, man. That big old roof in there, man. We'll get back at you in a minute. Y'all better quit playing, go and get your sunroof, man. Huh? Quit playing, go and get your sunroof, man. Y'all niggas talking about y'all ballers, come on out your pocket with a stack. I charge a stack for a sunroof, my nigga. Don't call me unless you got a stack. Real talk. Come get these sunroof, man. Panoramic time, baby. I ain't playing with you. Huh? One stack will get your brain blowed out. One stack will get your brain blowed out. Inside peanut butter, outside jelly. Yeah, get your brain blowed out, man. One stack, man. Holla at your boy Fabo, Space Age Custom, 419-215-2718, man. You want your brain blowed out, bring me a stack. I'll make it happen for you. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? Sunroof almost finished. I got it spot welded all around. I shaved all my spot welds down, ground them down real nice and flat and smooth. This is the first layer of fiberglass filler. I'm using this brand called Cloud Glass, all-purpose fiberglass filler. You got the hardener. So you mix that stuff up, man. You just try to go around a nice, smooth, even coat. Shoot, be in the game. So I'm gonna let this dry overnight, which it ain't gonna take overnight, but I'm done working for the day, so I'm gonna let this dry overnight, and then I'll come sand this shit tomorrow. Then probably put some actual body filler in there, aka Bundo, but not Bundo. I use Evercoat. So Once I get some more done, man, I cut you back on, baby. Box Chevy Panoramic Sunroof. I think this is an 84, 85, maybe. I'm not too sure. But Box Chevy, man. Y'all see what's going on. Panoramic. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Fable. I'm back. Box Chevy. Complete with the roof. Panoramic. Y'all already know we bring the feature to the car. Our next step, we're going to get this vinyl top put on here and get the dashboard wrapped. So yeah, we all complete. We're going to open it up. It's the owner right here, y'all, so he's very pleased. It's the final project, final product right here, man. We'll get the headliner put in. 86 Caprice. Panoramic sunroof. Complete. It's a work in progress. We got the roof done. He putting the wires together now so we can open it up. Battery dead. Oh, battery dead, y'all. Might not get to see it open. But anyway, that's it, man. It's all done. This came out of a 2018 Chrysler 300. Box Chevy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Lay around for the Space Age custom paint giveaway. Lay around for that too. We'll get in more detail about that coming soon. But this is the 1986 Box Chevy Panoramic Sunroof build. So you can use these steps I gave you to apply to your car. Alright, man. Peace. You already know we watch the spray away, man.